Hey, what is up, everyone? Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler, reseller on Steemit. Today, we're going to do a tutorial on steamfollower.com. And the short of steamfollower.com is you upvote others, you get points, and then others upvote all of your stuff. So it's actually really cool of a system, and it's really amazing. But real quick, I'm reseller on Steemit. There is a referral link below. I'll earn 5% on any of your referrals. And basically what that's going to do is leave a comment below. Also, if you sign up, leave your Steemit name below in the comments, and I will follow you and upvote you through Steem Follower. So it's actually everyone helping each other. And what's great about Steem Follower is if you don't have much Steem power, you can actually earn a greater percentage of upvotes. As you can see, there's a little bit of a reward system thing down below, and we're going to get into all the little bits and pieces that you need to know about steamfollower.com and how it works, and we're going to get into it right now. So once again, I'm reseller on Steemit. I'm going to leave a link below for that, so if you're not following me, please give me a follow. And anyways, let's get right into this. This is going to be pretty much the home page right here from steamfollower.com. And if you click the referral link, it should bring you to this once you sign up. The first off is to log in, you will need your private posting key, and it's not your password. Do not put your password in. And I'm going to show you how to find your posting key. So right here, if you go to, mostly you're going to start out your blog. You're going to go to your wallet and permissions. And as you can see, there's 4 different keys here. You're going to use your posting key. Now, this is the public posting key. And to access your private one, you're going to click this show private key over here, and you're going to get a new code. You're going to copy and paste that into your steamfollower.com login. So you're going to put in your name. I'm not going to show you all that right now, but you're going to put in your name. You put in the private posting key, and it'll basically automatically set you all up like that. So we can actually go for here. Once you sign up, you can look at your profile. Your profile is going to show you basically your voting power, just like Steem D over here to your right. It's going to show you your points that you have, your total Steem power, Steem balance, and steamed dollars. So basically all the money that you have tied up in Steem is going to show over here. Your voting power. Right now I'm at 75%, which is kind of low. I want to try to keep my voting power above 80%. Ideally, you want it around 90 for myself, so that you do, some good upvotes. As you can see, these are the upvotes that I posted today. I gave 100% 5 votes. Right here, this is going to show you yesterday's votes right here that we did. And it also will show you votes I received and yesterday's votes I received. So you can actually track who's voted on your stuff, and you can actually go into their accounts and find them and follow people through that. So that's basically the profile. The Steemit profile will take you back to Steemit. The services is what you're going to want. There used to be a follower for follower thing, but I guess that's not working right now. So you're going to want to use manual curation. And this is going to be pretty much the main page that you're going to use for everything. And as you see the notes, the rules, you got to upvote at least 5 posts a day. Now, you don't have to do 100%, but if you have under 500 Steem power, you won't have a slider, so you have no choice in that. So you're going to have to give full 100%. And over here, we can go to the side. Basically, we can see post displayed, enabled, disabled. Enabled is defaulted. All this stuff right here is going to be defaulted. Promotion ×1. Now, this was a little confusing at first when I first started, but basically what this is it goes from 1 to 5 times. So if you have a lot of points, and we'll get into that in a second, you can actually double, triple, quadruple your upvotes you get from others, but it'll decrease your points faster. So if you want to just kind of just let it go and let the points decrease slowly, you just leave it at default 1. You can also disable this. Also, but like I said, if you go to 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, or 5 times, you're going to get more upvotes by others. And I think it actually bumps you up a little bit as far as being seen in this category thing right here. And we can get it, we'll get back into all these numbers right here, but we can show you basically these buttons right here. So new posts, obviously, if you click that, it's going to show her the newer posts. This is actually, I like to actually post in this more than anything else. As you can see, it's going to take a minute to load. New post, I always look for like posts that are like decent, that are around the half an hour mark. As you can see, a lot of these are hour, 6 minutes. I look for something that's around a half an hour because I guess that's when the payouts for voting or curation is going to be the most. So you want to go around a half an hour. And I heard they're going to change that in the hard fork 20, the hard fork 20 fork. And you can do some more research on that. I think they're going to fix that kind of thing. But anyway, so what you're going to do is you can do that, and you can vote. For me, or actually, I think, I don't know if anyone's like this, but you can, for me, I can change my vote power because I have over 500 Steem power. But if you're just a new user, I think this just stays at 100%. But that's what's nice about me is I can actually change the curation vote power for as much as I want or as little as I want, depending on what the Steem power is. And what's nice about the little numbers over here to the side, and we can get on that real quick. So actually, but basically, let's get back to these buttons real quick. So like new posts, top users, these are going to be the top voted people. Older users, new users. So if like someone that just joined Steem follower, you're going to click that and you can see them. And top inviters. So these would be someone who like has the most affiliate links. So there's basically 5 different ways to sort stuff. You can also sort by author's name. So if you have a friend that's on here, you can actually click this, and actually we'll show you that. I can go to States Place and search for them. Right now I've already voted for them, so they got 0 points, so I can check back in tomorrow to vote for them, but that's how you do that. So basically the buttons on the side, we talked about post display, disable, enable. This is basically if you don't want your stuff to be shown. I don't know why you'd want that, but I guess maybe if you want to conserve your points and you don't want to use them. Promotion, like I said, we said it's 1 to 5 times. You can do that. If you have enough points, you'll drain your points really fast if you go 5 times. But what's nice about this system is it actually will default you back down to 1 if you don't have enough points. So it doesn't, like, if you have it at 5 and you're just stuck there, it won't stay stuck there. Total registered users. Right here, we have 8,400 so far using Steem follower, and we have your points right here. Right now I have 5,033 points, which equals about $1.34 in Steem. Base points, this shows you basically what your 100% vote power is going to be worth. And right now, currently, if I have 100% voting power, it's worth 1,000 points and at 23 cents. And right now, from the total points that I have, I will receive $1.34 in upvotes, which means that others that see my post and upvote me through Steem follower all earn up to $1.34, and then it cuts off because I'll have 0 points. So basically, it's pretty much a point thing. You want to go in, you want to log into Steem follower every day and do your at least your 5 daily upvotes, and you can use these little tabs over here to go and find other people. And I'm at reseller, so if you want to type that in to search by author, I would gladly do that. And if you do, like I said, go and comment on one of my things and say that you did that so I can go and upvote one of your posts too. Right here we have limit, so like there's only 30, I think there's like 35 posts or 36 posts a day. There's a limit, you can't go crazy on this, but they want you to do it at least 5 posts a day, and it basically resets every 24 hours, and I think it's at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time for me. I'm in California, so at 4 p.m. it resets it back to 0, and the 24-hour clock starts again. So every 24 hours you want to at least upvote 5 different posts through this system. And what's nice is it carries over into Steemit.com because you're using your private posting key to let Steem follower basically vote for you. Never give any of these third-party sites your password. I'm telling you right now, do never give them your password. If anyone asks for your password, they're not doing it right, because there's private posting keys for a reason, so that you don't have to hand over your password and your whole entire account pretty much to a third party. That's why they enable these different systems in place, and that's only for posting. And you can change that key at any time through your settings in your steemit.com. Anyways, back to here. Here's my referral link, and you will have a referral link too. So if you want to, get some followers and earn a little bit of extra Steem, I think it's 5%. My link is going to be below. Please, 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 please click that link. And like I said, leave a comment below if you do, so I can go and check your account. I'll go and follow you on Steemit, and I'll do some upvotes for you also. Right here, it shows me total referrals. I've had actually 6 referrals so far. Right now, I've only earned 4 cents. Not so big of a deal, but that will, over time that calculates. So let's go back up here. So services, manual curation. We just clicked that. We're going to click that again. That's going to be the main thing you're going to want to focus on when you're in here. Stats. You can click on stats. What it'll do is it'll show you your username, how many upvotes you received. So I received 3 upvotes today through this system, and yesterday I received 7. And no followers, because their follower thing is actually disabled. I haven't been on this long enough for them to see the follower thing, but I guess when they first started, they had a follower for follower, so you can gain followers. But you really just want to gain followers who really want to consume your content. Basically, you don't want just to get random followers. So random upvotes is fine, because you're still getting paid in Steem, but you don't want random followers, because they're not going to really check out your stuff. So stats, top users is an interesting stat here. What it does is it lists the top 5 inviters. So like when you click the referral link and it adds your stuff, it's kind of like a leaderboard of the top 20. And to get into top 20 is not too hard to do, but I mean $24 in Steem back dollars, that's actually a pretty good amount now that the price has gone up. So getting into this top 20 is going to be a little tough. But look at this top follower right here. Crypto Riddler, 414 referrals. That is crazy. And so those are the stats. The market is a very interesting thing. You're going to have to set up a password for that. So what you can do is you can actually use your Steem back dollars to purchase points in the system. The price actually has gone up a lot since Steem back dollars has gone up. But if you have some extra Steem back dollars and you want to buy into some of these points for a new member that's like under 50 Steem power, this is actually a good thing to do, to take a little bit of Steem back dollars you have, buy some points, because you'll get about 140% back in Steem in upvote. So it's a good thing if no one's upvoting your stuff, you're brand new, it's good to get on steemfollower.com and start, you can, if you have some extra Steem back dollars, to purchase these points. I purchased points before. I purchased like 100,000 points like a week ago, before the price went crazy. So I was able to get a good deal. And those points lasted me I want to say they lasted me like 3 days. Even though I put it at 5 times upvotes, it literally burned through that so fast. But you get what you put into it and a little bit more depending on your Steem power. Like I said, if you're brand new, this is like really, really amazing service. So that's the market. They also have a support page. You can contact them through here if you have any kind of an issue. They're pretty fast at contacting you. And there's a little bit of a help section here. They have their own Discord channel, which I've never got into. I should actually go and do that. But I've actually clicked some of these articles. The video doesn't work, which I found incredibly ironic, since they really should have a video. And that's why I'm actually pretty much making this video for you guys, so you guys can see how Steem Follower works. So that's basically Steem Follower in a nutshell. And the TLDR is basically you sign up with your posting key. You upvote at least 5 people a day, and you start to earn points. And then with those points, other people can upvote all your newest posts. So if you're posting like one post every 24 hours, this is an amazing service for you. If you're posting like a lot of posts every day, it's going to only catch the latest one. So if you want one of your newest posts to get a lot of upvotes, just leave it for 24 hours and then come back and do another one. But yeah, so I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. If you enjoyed this video, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I know this is actually, Steem Follower is really easy to use, and like I said, never put in your passwords in these things. Only do your private posting key, and don't share that with anyone, by the way. Also, I have the affiliate link below. Please click that to join and leave a comment below if you do, and I will go on Steemit and follow you and set you up through here also. See, the thing is, for me to upvote you through Steem Follower, you have to be registered. You don't have to use the affiliate link, but you still have to be registered in the system. But so doing the referral link pretty much helps everyone in the whole thing, because I definitely want to get on that dang top 20 list. So thank you guys for watching. Please click the like button, and I'm Reseller on Steemit, and we'll see you guys soon.